Forex Shark is a product of pure business. Most of us tend to lose any amount of money in the trading business just because we let our emotions to get the best of us. That's where Forex Shark comes in. This is a unique guidebook that will teach you everything about the trading system and how it works. Let alone you will be able to control those emotions and think straight business with this guide. The technical methods will help you get profits in no time. The benefits of this product are really high, and I've seen countless of positive reviews about this product that all say the same thing. Why do most traders lose money? Fear and greed is the worst enemy here, as these two take over your mind in trading. Tell me, haven't you ever got out of a position before just out of fear of losing money? Or stayed in one even you have earned enough profit from it? That's the sign of greed. There are numerous examples of those, like not closing a position even when you are losing or closing one too long. You have to get these ideas out of your head just to avoid any kind of loss in your game. And these emotions make us do stupid things. How does it work? All the broker-dealers have said that this product is the best one when it comes to trading manuals. It's available for MetaTrader 4 too. The best thing is that all the algorithms used in this manual are always updating. So, all the informations found here will be 100% synced with the present situation. The product is mainly for manual trading, so all the methods are based on that. And the methods will help you observe all the investments you do. After you buy the product, you will get the guide along with the installation information that comes and makes it really easy. Another cool thing is that, as the market changes, the methods change accordingly. It's very fast and efficient. So, if you want a solution that works and can make your trading go all the way up, then this one is definitely for you. What do you get? The indicator software. This one is the main software that you'll be using to monitor your trades. It's very highly developed and full of new algorithms that help in deciding which trade to pursue. This software gives you the most accurate results, making trading merely a kid's play. It will also give you alerts of when to sell or even buy a trade that could profit you in the long run. So, with this indicator, a lot of your manual work is done in one place. You just have to sit back tight and let this do all the work. User guide. The software comes with the user manual for the software. The user guide is the most useful one. You will know all of the configurations or how you need to install it. You will even know how to use the software and enable certain functions. Screenshots. You will also have some screenshots alongside the software. It will indicate the working process of the software, like how it works and such. Sample trades. You'll have access to some sample trades to help you pick or start the first investment. It's mainly for rookies that have zero experience with trading, to help them start the process and take control from that. Fast-tracked Forex crash course. The videos that come along with this one will give you a thorough outline. The video makes the process go even faster, making you a pro in no time. The one-day seminar summarized in a half-hour process without any extra fuss. Pros. It's the best program for any beginner who wants to try out this profession. Loads of instructions and strategies to help along with it. Cons. Forex trading is an all over a risky business. So just one wrong step can make it all in vain.